Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. And I think you've realized it already. If you're long pressing here the power button, you wake up Gemini with, so the Google Assistant. But how to power off the phone? For that, you need next to the power button as well the volume down button. Long press these both buttons together and then you're finally at the power off menu. Just confirm a power off and again a power off and the phone will turn off. There's a second way to power off the phone, and for that just scroll down here below the battery symbol so that we're here at the control center, and a part of the control center is here the symbol to power off. Just tap here so that we're at the power off menu, just confirm twice then on power off and the phone will shut down. But there's a way to set up the power button here, or side button as Samsung has renamed it, as a real power button. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol, tap down here on the symbol for the settings here at the corner. Scroll down then to the point Advanced Features, and here we have the point Side button. And you can choose what should happen if you long press this side button. Actually, we are waking here the digital assistant, so Google, Gemini, but in the future we want to have the power off menu. And that means whenever you long press now the power button, you're immediately at the power off menu. Just tap here on power off, confirm the power off, and the phone will power off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.